Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix Tinder app not working. If the Tinder app is not opening or not working properly on your phone, this guide will help you fix the issue step by step. First, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the app responds. Then, swipe out from the bottom of your screen, look for the Tinder app and close the app completely by swiping it away. Then go ahead and reopen the app after a few seconds. Next, go head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Tinder. Then, check if you have updated your app or not. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so make sure to update it. Outdated versions often stop working after server updates. Now, restart your phone. This clears temporary system glitches that affect the apps. Next, if the problem continues, clear the apps cache on Android from app settings. On iPhone, go ahead and long press on the Tinder app icon, remove app, then delete app. After deleting your app, go to the App Store, search for Tinder and download the app from there. And after reinstalling, log in again and allow all the required permissions, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.